Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will review Tapfiliate. Tapfiliate is an affiliate tracking software that helps businesses create and manage their affiliate programs. First, once you signed up and log in, you can create a new affiliate program by adding your company name, website, and commission structure. Then, you can customize your sign-up page and invite influencers or partners to join your program. After that, Tapfiliate provides a tracking script that you place on your website. This helps track clicks, sales, and sign-ups from your affiliates. Affiliates will each get their dashboard, unique referral link, and access to banners or promo materials. The platform also supports multi-language programs, recurring commissions, and works well with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Stripe. People like Tapfiliate for its clean interface, automation, and detailed reports. On the downside, beginners may need a little time to understand all the features and the pricing might feel a bit high for small startups. Overall, Tapfiliate is a solid tool for businesses serious about growing through affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.